Hello TechVikings, how are you doing? In this video we will learn about remote desktop and how we can connect a local device to a remote device and take control over it. So if we have, for example, a remote device in another place and we want to connect to it and take over, control it from far away, so we can do this using RDP, remote desktop protocol, or remote desktop. So let's start. We have here two virtual machines for demonstration and simulation. We have two virtual machines. The first one is Windows 11 local, which is our local device in our place, and we have the remote device in another place. So we want, first thing, we want to make the settings first time, and then we can connect anytime we want. So this, we need to go to the remote device. From here we need to go to desktop or remote. First thing, remote desktop settings. We want to go to remote desktop settings on the remote device and then turn it on. It should be on here on the remote device. Confirm. And regarding PC name, we need to know the PC name. So it's WIN 11, or we can know the IP. So we need the IP or the PC name. To know the IP, we go to CMD and type IP config. So this is the IP address. We copy it, or we use this one. And then also we need to know something else here. We need to know the username. So the username is Adel. And last step, we need to go to firewall and ensure that it's not blocking the remote desktop connection. So we go here, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and change settings. Okay, now we search for remote desktop. It's already, for private and public networks, it's already allowed. So okay, so then we know now the PC and IP, and we know the username. We allowed firewall. We allowed remote desktop on firewall. So last thing, we need to go to the Windows 11 local from here, and we go to start remote desktop connection. From here, we type the IP. We just type the IP or the PC name and hit on connect. From here, we type the username. It was Adel, and the password. We should know the password, and hit on OK. Here it's telling me the remote computer could not be authenticated due to problem with its security certificate. It may be unsafe to proceed. Certificate name. Okay, this is not very important. We just hit on yes. And now we are connected from Windows 11 local to the remote. Now we are inside the remote desktop. We are here in this one. So we can do anything here. For example, we can go anywhere we want, start using applications, doing anything, any work, and then we can just from here, from this tab here, we just hit on close, and we end the session by this. We disconnect the session. Just hit OK. Now we are back to our Windows local, and I hope you find this helpful. So see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.